Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Today I'm making my version of Japanese black sesame dandanmen or kurogoma tantanmen. There are many ways to make this dish and you can enjoy it cold or hot. Mr. JOC likes his black sesame tantanmen with hot broth while I like it cold, so I made this recipe in two ways. Black sesame paste might be hard to find, but you can try finding on Amazon or Japanese grocery stores. If you cannot find it, just use tahini sauce instead. Now let's get started. enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!